Dude, I'm sorry I touched you. Didn't mean to touch you. He's an angry one. Mine is too. She's worse. O sea, tan cabrona.
We go to Sokro's house. We're gonna pick up your TV or whatever the remaining, and then we're gonna go. I'm gonna walk in and walk out with
So
it.
before I go to Harris, since it's on the way, can we pick up that one?
If you want, yeah. What is the big deal? My gosh, I don't even know. Are you okay with the gun, John?
Are you okay with me driving?
No, like.
Are you okay with me driving?
Because like sometimes.
Is that a yes or no?
So angry, John.
Is it?
For no reason. Sometimes.
Is it
that's why
okay?
people are afraid of you because like you, like John. I mean Roger is like really doesn't want to. You're like pressuring him. He doesn't want to take you shooting after what you did to his glass.
Am I pressuring him? Did we agree on times and dates for go?
Yeah, but
what did we agree?
It's a traumatized
No,
to him.
it's just
because like John Paul's easily like that quick temper. Who knows what else you're capable of doing?
Okay, so
he's afraid.
When did we decide that we were going to go shooting with Roger?
Yeah, that was last Friday, but he
Did
has
we
a
go?
things issue. No, he keep on changing the
Okay.
date because he has an issue with the Tammy.
Okay.
He has an issue with the people who's building the new house, whatever.
Is that my problem?
But things happen. That's what friends are for.
Okay.
You have to understand when it's friend.
All right.
Promise can be broken.
So right now we're talking about the one that you have.
Okay, the one I have is exactly the way I left it for how many years ago? When the day that I put it there, it hasn't been moved since.
Now, can we pick that up?
Yes.
When?
When we go, hopefully Sokro calls before Sunday. We'll go. If she doesn't call, we'll just drop by and pick it up if you want.
Oh, okay, let's do that.
Are you okay with that though, John?
I'm
Do you
okay
think
with
you're an okay person to have that gun?
Are you okay with me driving a car?
That's not the question.
That's
Are you
my
okay
question.
To have that gun?
That's my
Because
question.
obviously the government
My
doesn't
question
want you to have any
is.
gun because
My question is. Are you okay with me driving a vehicle? Are you okay with me?
Yes.
Oh, good.
the gun is a whole different thing.
Really?
Yeah, government is not allowing you to have a gun. That tells you something. Okay? They don't want you to have any gun. You're not
I didn't
supposed to
run
have
my
any gun.
background check, did I?
Well, check it. It
There.
doesn't take that much.
Okay,
so you
let's-
can do
when we
background
go-
check
let's go do
anywhere.
that today.
It doesn't have to be there.
Can we do that today?
John, I have like right now, we're just totally completely broke. I just barely saved enough to go check into the hotel so we can relax before you take up to Mexico.
Okay.
Right now,
So
we
right
don't
now
have
the
no
question-
gas, no money, no nothing to go nowhere.
Okay, then
I have
let's
to
not
get
go.
your laundry done so we can take you to get you ready for Mexico. All your clothes is dirty.
So before we go to Harris, can we go to your place and pick that up?
Yes, if you want.
Thank you.
If you behave till then, yeah.
What if you don't
Hi,
behave?
Abira.
Hi, how are you? How you doing?
Fine. How are you?
Why do you yell at her?
I was
Look, you have a nice, decent voice. It's amazing how you yell at me
Okay,
and
wait
not
a minute.
her.
Wait a minute. What,
So you're
what- say
capable
that
of whispering.
John, I'm talking on the phone.
Yeah,
Would you
but I
just-
don't appreciate you yelling at me.
I'm not yelling. I'm talking. You first.
Are you
raised
yelling
me
at
then-
her?
I'm not yelling. She knows.
Are you
I
yelling
talk
at her?
Like this all
Does
the
she?
time. I'm not yelling. That's the way my tone of the
Oh.
voice. We talk like that.
Okay.
But when you make me upset, yeah, I'm not yelling. But this is my tone of the voice is gonna change because you making me upset.
Oh. So you only yell at me?
Rita, I'm not yell. I never yell at you. You
Yeah?
scream. I don't yell at you. You
No?
scream.
I see.
Anyway, we have anyway. So what happened? Yeah, I have everything working, and then only the thing I'm missing is remember the bed I had at house for you? There's no plug. You know the plug to make it warm. You know the extend.
Yes, very nice. Yeah, it's good. Thank you.
You just visiting the area, or?
Well, I come here.
People talk about me, baby. You say I'm doing you wrong. Don't you worry, baby, don't worry. 'Cause I'm right here, right here, right here, right here. Sit up, sit up, sit up.
Oh, sit up. Basically, okay, that's okay. I'm a midnight joker, and I'm using all the rum. Woo! Thing I ever did see. Please welcome places try to shake your tree. Time. Little baby, tell you a good time. What's up? Pick up. Pick up. Have a sit up. Just shake up. Okay. I'm a midnight joker. Still over. Okay. Yeah. I'm sit up. In the music on the side. I'm in my poker. In the music on the bar. Talk about me. Tell me. Talk about me. Don't worry. Don't worry. Right here. Right here. Oh. You're the thing I ever did see. You want to just wanna shake your tree. La 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 la. A good time. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, Brown brother. Over. Something a move, help me! Over, Valerie. Valerie. Come over, Valerie. Where's Valerie? Valerie. Where are you, Valerie? Get here. What's that? You lawyer? ¿Dónde vas a ir? ¿Dónde vas a ir? That's more over. Happy to go. Thanksgiving, Dawn, and yoga. Halloween, she's go. That's your name. Me, so suck that. Yeah, and then go. There's moon.